Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80073701 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection. How would we do that? Go to fast.com and check the internet speed here and click on the refresh button. Check if it's good enough. If yes, then move on to the next solution, which is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, and then in the right pane scroll down to select troubleshoot other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Last solution is to reset Windows Update components. We have a script. Copy this, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.